They served me a burnt pizza?
What?
You've probably heard the Katrca 1905 ad on the radio, so I decided to check it out myself. The place has a cool design. There are mopeds everywhere, and the most famous ones that local bloggers showed in their videos are already outside. Soon they'll ride further down the street. I ordered the Nduja pizza for 13 euros and 50 cents.
A few moments later.
5 minutes passed. I'm waiting.
15 minutes later.
15 minutes. They brought the starters.
3 days later.
30 minutes. I finished the starters and I'm still waiting for my pizza.
Many months later.
And finally, the long-awaited pizza arrived. I noticed some burnt spots, but thought maybe that's normal. The taste was bitter, which means the crust was indeed overcooked. Those weren't just typical char marks, but actually burnt areas of the dough. As for the waitresses, no complaints at all. The service was great, but I think this one's on the chef. My rating for this pizza is a 5 out of 10. Have you tried their pizza? What did you think?